As part of a multi-year-long project, the City of Bowie has hired a contractor to replace or line 2.1 miles of water mains in the Kenilworth neighborhood.
When these pipes were put in back in 1960, they were cast iron pipes. They were not lined. Currently, all water mains are lined with a cement lining. These water mains were not lined. And over a period of time, what happens is tuberculation forms in this pipe. It looks similar to what is on a ship, on the side of barnacles on a ship. And it collects inside the pipe, causing discoloration of the water and low volume of the water. This contract was bid and was awarded to our contractor, J. Fletcher Kramer, for $3.2 million. Out of that, $2 million of that money's has been federally funded by, or I should say, it was a federal grant that was given to us by the federal government.
This is an example of what the pipes will look like after they have been lined. Temporary water bypasses are set up along the curbside with pipe ramps over driveways to minimize disruption.
Instead of open cut, which means to basically dig down, remove the pipe, put in new pipe, this lining process will stop, removing trees in the way, cutting open driveways by just digging pits 500 feet, 600 feet away. This will mitigate the inconvenience to our residents.
Work takes place Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m., excluding holidays. No road closures are expected, but brief water service interruptions may occur with advance notice. All affected areas will be restored after the project is completed.
During the construction process, we would really appreciate it if you kind of watch out for our construction workers. We'll be working out on the streets, on the side of the streets. There'll be some blockage of traffic, but there'll be traffic control set up. And just be careful and make sure that you slow down and watch out for the school buses and the kids that are crossing.
Construction started back in August and is expected to wrap up by the spring.